What is good, guys? Get Millhouse here at it again with another video. I am trying to be very productive this year. I'm trying to upload more than a couple of videos this week and try to keep it going for a while now. So with that being said, I just want to talk about a thing that's always been on my mind forever, and what's best to just talk about it right now and just get off my chest. You know, fucking all your insecurities and stuff like that, you know? So I want to encourage anyone here that feel like their drawing capabilities are not the strongest. Shit, just look at my drawing right now. And like I actually hate looking at this right now as we speak. Like this sketch, this rough, it's really bad in my opinion, and I don't like it. But the thing is, it doesn't matter how bad you draw sometimes, and like if you're trying to I don't know, draw to a point where you can start making money off your art, and you would love to make like you would love to start doing commissions. Getting really tongue tied here, but if you love to, you know, start working on commissions and stuff like that, but you just feel like you're not good enough, I'm here just to tell you that sometimes it doesn't matter about how good you are. Sometimes we're not going to be at that level. You might never get to that spot of being like Kim Jong-gi or Fang Zhu or any of these top amazing artists. We can get better over time, just like fine wine. We will get better over time. But as of stuff right now, and we are doing our best to learn and improve and all that stuff, that's even better. But the thing is, I think at the end of the day, even Fang Zhu said this. So I forget which design cinema he said this. It's just draw cool shit. Like it can be bad, it doesn't matter. Like a lot of people won't even know sometimes. Like you have certain artists out there, and I'm not gonna mention names, but they can render the hell out of something and make it look cool, but the anatomy is broken as fuck. I'm telling you, I'm sure like we all have seen it every now and then where that spine looks totally broken, but the entire piece looks amazing, and everyone disregards the broken spine or the messed up ankle or like the finger that looks kind of awkward and weird, and they just see it as an overall piece. Like this person went ham and cheese on this thing. That's the mentality that I am going with 2021 on this one. Like just draw cool shit. Yes, you want to get better. Yes, you want to improve. Yes, you want to you know, keep going at it, and you want to, you know, keep striving for more. But the whole fear of not posting your stuff out there or accepting commissions and stuff like that, and you're just afraid of being seen because you don't believe that your artwork is that good enough to be seen by others. This is going back to my insecurities videos. So fuck your insecurities, throw that shit out the window, because it's not helping you here. Just draw cool shit. Whatever you think is cool, draw that cool shit. Like you can see me here, I'm even using all the tools in my arsenal. I even mentioned using the symmetry tool. I'll even link that video up top about using the symmetry tool, how I made this background here. I just doodled this. I didn't put a lot of time, thought, effort, energy into this. I just said, you know what would look cool? I think I'm gonna do this, draw this in your own style. Draw my friend Koru. I don't even know if I said it right, but she also goes by Yami. I'll even link her her Instagram somewhere up top here somewhere. But I'm doing her draw this in your own style, late mind you. But you know, I'm doing it, and I just said, you know, I'm just gonna have fun with this. I'm gonna make it look badass. You know what I think looks cool? I think Ninja Tech Wear looks cool. Oh, you know what else looks cool? Some sneakers, some hypebeast stuff. I want this character to look like they're just chilling like a badass, and behind them is like a dark demon monster there, and maybe this character is just chilling because that's my homie, that's my friend, that's my pal. Like we this is the squad right here, me and this scary monster behind me. I don't know. I just thought it would look cool. And for what I've done, I thought it looks cool. And I've gotten some response saying that it looks cool. No one mentioned about, oh, your lighting's off, or the leg is messed up, or it was very messy, whatever. I didn't get any of those comments except for just zoom in, because I just quickly posted it and I wasn't really thinking. I was just tired. But other than that, like, it's whatever. It's whatever. So I'm just here saying, just draw cool shit. And as you're trying to draw cool shit, just try to imply the fundamental knowledge that you know, like how you're constructing the body or whatever, or how you're constructing the forms and stuff. Like, put everything that you're learning into practice and have fun with it. I think that's where true improvement comes from. When you take off the stress from just the overall act of drawing or doing anything that you are passionate about and you want it to be great and you want to succeed, once you take off the overall stress from it, you will be fine. I think stress is like the main factor here that like will kill whatever that you're doing. Like, how many of you guys in the comment section below just tell me how many one of you guys are the type of person that will grip your digital Wacom pen or your pencils or whatever medium that you're using, you grip your tools really, really tight and to a point where you're gonna break it or snap it. You're putting so much pressure on things need to be accurate and things need to be good. Things need to look a certain way because you're trying to show that you're improving. You want to see this for yourself, and you want to show other people that you are about that life and you're trying to improve and you are getting better. You want people to see that growth. People will see that growth in time. People will see it, and people might see it way before you even do. But the fact that you're stressing out about it makes it tight. You're not getting loose. And if you watch Steve Houston videos or any other videos on like gesture or whatever, you gotta be loose with it, baby. This is the final piece. Slapped in some textures, threw some, Photoshop magic on it, and I like it. It's whatever. I think it looks cool. Some people think it's cool. Coolness is what I was aiming for. I got a thumbs up on it. That's cool. Now, this is your turn to draw whatever the hell you think looks cool. Whatever you're into, just draw it. I'm pretty sure you'll have a more fun and more enjoyable time doing that than stressing yourself out overall. Hopefully this has light a match underneath your ass and gave you some motivation to do something about it. But, I'm also here to tell you that you are improving, you are getting better, and you are so much better than you were yesterday because you're trying to do something today about it, especially if you clicked on this video. Big ups. Even if you didn't draw today, you're still improving because you're trying to expand your mind and you're trying to improve in some way, shape, form, or another. I said a lot. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.